In today's video, I'm going to teach you to make a joint account on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to invite the person you want to share the account with so you can manage money together confidently and securely. Start by opening the Revolut app and heading to the Accounts section on the home screen. Depending on your layout, this might appear as an Accounts tab at the bottom or a card near the top of your home screen showing your balances. If you have multiple accounts already, you'll see them listed here. This is your hub for everything related to balances and new account types. Now scroll down in the Accounts area until you see the Add New option. It may appear as a button or a small plus icon, usually near the end of your accounts list. Tap Add New to bring up the different kinds of accounts and features you can create. You'll see a set of options you can swipe through. Move through these until you find Joint Account. This option is designed for two people who want to share access to the same funds, track spending together, and save side by side. When you see Joint Account, select it to continue. Next, choose the type of joint account you want. For example, you might pick a joint savings account if your goal is to set money aside for a trip, a move, or a shared emergency fund. If you're planning to use the account for day-to-day expenses, Revolut may show other joint account types that fit everyday spending. Read the brief descriptions on each screen to match the account to your needs. From here, just follow the on-screen steps. Revolut will guide you through any required confirmations and details. You'll then be prompted to invite the person you want to share the account with. They'll need to have Revolut installed and be eligible for joint accounts in their region. You can usually invite them from your contacts or by selecting their Revolut profile. Make sure you're inviting the correct person, as both of you will have shared access once it's set up. After you send the invitation, the other person just needs to accept it. As soon as they do, your joint account will be created automatically. You'll both see it in the Accounts section, and it will be ready to use right away for viewing balances, making transfers, or organizing your shared finances. And that's it. You've successfully created a joint account on Revolut. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your money together with a little less hassle.